Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our Huafit Watch S12 Plus smartwatch, and on this video we are going to explore the smart notification feature of this wearable. So we will check and let's see if this feature is compatible with Facebook Messenger and Instagram. On our second video, we will have a demo for the Viber, WhatsApp application, as well as SMS. So if you are interested to see this feature here on the Huafit Watch S12 Plus smartwatch, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore our Huafit Watch S12 Plus smartwatch smart notifications. We are connected with the support app Aulon application. You have here the Aulon app, as you can see here. Okay, and we are connected. So we do have here, okay, a notification alert or an alert that notifies us that we have to allow notification permission for our smartwatch. So select this one. Then we'll just look for the Aulon app. Then we will allow the notification here. Notification access, allow the permission. Then just go back. Then let's look for, we have here the app reminder. Again, we will allow it, Instagram and Messenger. Okay, we do have the WhatsApp and the Viber as well. Go back. We have the SMS reminder. We'll activate it also. Allow the permission. Allow again, and that's it. Okay, so seems like everything is okay. Let's start and have a demo of the smart notification feature of our Huafit Watch S12 Plus smartwatch. On this video, we'll focus on the Messenger and Instagram. Okay, so let's send a message to Sam here. Let's say hello. Hello. There. Okay. Send a message. Let's see if we can receive a notification. And we have it here, as you can see. We have the message from Maria. So what are the message? Hello there. We do have a logo. We have the name of the application and the message. We also have here the time. So we have an option to delete the message. Okay. Let's have another one. Okay, so let's have another one. This time, we will send an emoticon or an emoji. Okay, hi with the word hi. Okay, message sent. Let's see if there's the support for emoji. And we have here the message. And as you can see, there's no support for emoji. We have the text hi or the word hi, but we don't have the emoji here. Okay, so there's no support for emoji. Next, let's have the call here. Let's see if we do have a call notification. It's now calling and call. Okay, so we do have a support here for call notification. We have here a notification, call notification, and as you can see from the call, seems like we do have an option to answer the call here on the smartwatch. Again, let's call. Okay, so someone's calling. Let's try to answer. Hello, this is Facebook Messenger call. Hi. Hello. Hello. Okay, so as you can see, it works for our Huafit Watch S12 Plus. Okay, so very good so far. We do have an option to answer the calls here on the smartwatch with a Facebook call. Okay, aside from the messages or smart notification, we do have a feature for answering call. Okay, next let's have the Instagram application. Okay, the same with Facebook. We'll send a message. Hello there. Message sent. Let's see if we will be able to receive a notification. And we have it here. Okay, so we have the message here. So we have the time, the logo, and the message. But we don't have the name of the sender. Unlike with the Facebook Messenger, we do have a name. This time, we don't have a name from Instagram. Let's have another one. Let's see. Hi. And we have it here. Okay. What if we send an emoji? Let's see if it will work. And we have it here. Again, we don't have the support for emoji. The same with Facebook Messenger. How about for calls? It's now calling. Let's end the call. Let's see if we will be able to receive a yes, we do have a call notification. Again, this time we have the name of the caller. You missed an audio call from Maria. Okay, so it works, the call notification, but you cannot answer it here on the smartwatch, unlike the Facebook Messenger. Again, it is compatible with Facebook Messenger as well as the Instagram application. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below and support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.